Today let us discuss about factors of production and their rewards. These factors are very important in economics. So before going to these factors of production, let us see what is production. When goods and services are produced using different resources like raw material, capital, then that is called your production. Production means that is the quantity of goods produced, that is the quantity of services provided. That is called your production. So in order to produce these goods, in order to provide these services, we require certain factors, and they are called factors of production. These factors of production are like land, labor, capital and enterprise. These are the four important factors in economics. These are the four important factors in the process of production, what are used in the process of production. Then why these are called factors? Because without the contribution of these four factors, goods and services cannot be produced. Nothing can be produced. You require land because you get all the raw material from inside the land only. Land means that is not only the surface, the upper layer of the soil. It includes all the resources what are available inside the soil also. We get iron ore from inside the soil. We get limestone from inside the soil. We get bauxite from inside the soil. What not? Everything we get from inside the soil only. And these things are used, these raw material is used to manufacture different goods. We manufacture steel from iron ore. We manufacture cement from limestone. So in this way what happens is, these are the resources, these are the raw material what is required for production of goods. So this raw material is available from land only. So land is one important factor of production. The second one is labor. In economics it is said that labor is the only active factor of production. So labor is very important factor of production. Labor means that is the mental or physical exertion done by any person to earn money is called labor. Labor means we are not qualifying the person here. We are qualifying the work here. The work done by the person, that is called labor. And for that payment is made. When we come to the third factor, that is called capital. Capital, without money, without machinery, without equipments, nothing can be produced. No goods or services can be produced. So capital is very important. Money is important. Machinery is important. Equipment is important. Without that, nothing can be produced. Then the fourth factor of production is your enterprise. It is a factor which use all these resources to produce goods and services. So there are four factors I told you: land, labor, capital and enterprise. These are called factors because without the contribution of these factors, no goods and services can be produced. Then what are the rewards of these factors? Land, one of the major resource, one of the major factor of production. Land gets rent. The reward of land is rent. Without land, no goods, no services can be provided. No goods can be produced. So the reward of the land is what? Rent. Labor, I told you labor is the only active factor of production. The reward of labor is wages. Labor, I told you, it is the mental or physical exertion done by the person to earn money. That is called labor. So the reward of labor is what? Wages. Then capital. Capital gets interest. The reward of capital is interest. For how much period you are using the capital? For what productive purpose you are using the capital? Upon that, the rate of interest is determined. But anyway, the interest what capital gets, that is the reward of capital. Then your enterprise. Out of the total income, first payments are made to all these factors, and whatever is remaining, that will be the share of entrepreneur, or that will be the share of enterprise. That is also called residual part, because it is the last remaining part. So profit is residue. So that is the reward of enterprise. So there are 4 factors, and the rewards of these factors are: land gets rent, labor gets wages, capital gets interest, and entrepreneur gets profit. So these are the factors and these are the rewards. This is a very important concept in economics.